If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Microsoft Publisher lets you format tables to enhance their appearance. Publisher has many default table styles you can apply. In addition to these table styles, you can also select individual table elements and apply your own custom formatting. To apply a preset table style to a table in Publisher, first click into the Table to Format. Then click the Table Design Contextual tab in the ribbon. The preset table styles appear in a scrollable list in the Table Formats button group. Scroll through the list and click the one to apply to the table. To customize the appearance of the preset table formats in Publisher, click the More button in the lower right corner of the Table Formats scrollable list box to show a drop-down menu of the preset table styles. Then select the Table Auto Format command from the bottom of the drop-down menu. In the Auto Format dialog box that appears, select a preset format to customize from the Table Format list. The selected format appears in a preview to the right of the list. Then click the Options button at the bottom of the dialog box to expand it and show a set of checkboxes in the Formats to Apply section. Check or uncheck these checkboxes to apply or remove the corresponding preset table formatting. When finished, click the OK button to apply the customized preset formatting. To apply a fill color to table cells in Publisher, first select the cells to which to apply a fill color. Then click the drop-down part of the Fill button in the Table Formats button group on the Table Design Contextual tab of the ribbon and choose the desired color from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, to apply a custom fill color, select the More Fill Colors command from the menu to apply a custom color using the Colors dialog box. Alternatively, to choose a fill color from an existing publication object, select the Sample Fill Color command in the drop-down menu, and then click a color in the page to use as the fill color. Alternatively, to apply a tint as a fill color, select the Tints command from the drop-down menu to open the Tints dialog box, which you then use to choose a color and tint to apply. Alternatively, to remove a fill color from selected table cells in Publisher, select the No Fill command from the drop-down menu. To format the borders of selected table cells in Publisher, first select the cells to which to apply border formatting. Then, to set the border thickness, click the Pen Weight drop-down in the same button group and select a choice. Then, to set the border color, click the Line Color drop-down in the same button group and select a choice. Finally, to select to which of the selected cell borders to apply the custom border thickness and color style you just selected, click the Borders drop-down button in the same button group and select the desired borders from the drop-down. If needed, to reapply the current border thickness and color settings to other borders of the selected cells. Continue making border selections from the Borders button until you finish. To change how a selected table in Publisher interacts with other page objects, click the Layout Contextual tab in the ribbon. Then use the buttons in the Arrange button group, which work the same as when formatting shapes or pictures, as we covered in the lessons Formatting Shapes and Formatting Pictures, which we won't cover again for brevity's sake. To resize a table in Publisher, you can also use the Height and Width spinners in the Size button group on the Layout Contextual tab of the ribbon. To let a table in Publisher grow as you add text, check the Grow to Fit Text checkbox in this same button group. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.